This'll be an adventure. I'm here for another DIY haircut. I have not cut the length of this since I shaved my head 1.5 years ago. This is like the full growth. I just did the undershave here. It's uneven and it's much longer here in the back, which a bob should be a little bit angled, right? So I'm going back to my DIY ponytail bob that I did a few years ago. It didn't go super well that time, but Brad Mondo watched it and critiqued it and gave some good tips.
A main thing she did wrong here was pull the hair into a tight ponytail that was like at the bottom of her neck. It would have been better if she pulled it down to here, but up here she's getting all this kind of stacking going on.
Yeah.
It looks so bad.
Hindsight is 2020.
Next time you could implement a few new techniques maybe after you do that sort of thing that you just did. You can take out some high slices and pull them out this way.
High
and do a little
slices?
trim. That way you get some nice, better stacking going on, and it's a little more streamlined and smooth, and you don't have a bunch of like straggly hairs going on. Other than that, great.
So I'm gonna try to do it again and we'll see how this one goes. As I always say, it's just hair, so don't worry about it too much, just have some fun, and in the worst case, you go and you get it fixed. I've got my new trifold mirror back here so I can actually see what's happening in the back, and I've got a full-length mirror in front of me to see what's going on in the front. Let's do it! I've just wet it a wee bit so that it's straighter. Getting kind of nervous. The idea behind this ponytail bob is that you pull it back and you cut it, and then it'll like angle down naturally. Angle it down. What do we think? This'll be an adventure. There we go. Choppy chop. There we go. It is done. Let's see what happens. Make a comment, what do you think this will look like, and be sure you subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da. All right. It's blunt cut, but it's not stacked like last time. So this is much more dealable. I'm gonna shave the bottom, and this, maybe I just need a little bit of layering going on. We're gonna start chopping. Perpendicular, I can't see that well. We're gonna point cut. Sure. This is so hard. We're doing it though. No. Doing this so I can actually see. I have no idea what this is doing. What do we say? Good enough? Good enough? Good enough. Choppy choppy. We're doing a 3 guard on the main buzz. Oh, this mirror makes a world of difference. Actually see what I'm doing. Now we're gonna switch to a 1 guard. Let's do a 2 now. Get a little fade going. I mean, is it good? I can't tell. Good enough? Now I'm gonna do a 0 for like the hair down here. I think we're done. And this, my friends, is why you always put a garbage bag over your sink for easy cleanup. So, here is the undercut, and ooh, here is the bob over it. I'm gonna take a quick shower and see what happens. Season 2 11 look. Here's the final look. We've got it kind of flipped out. Just kind of use my fingers to let it air dry, flipped out. And that is how it is looking. I can also kind of wet it and have it dried under like this. I definitely like this look better, but it's harder to achieve. I think I need a big round brush to dry it properly, like by the heat, or maybe curling iron. I think I need some more layers here to make it naturally curl under. I'm gonna have to do some Googling there. I really also want to figure out how to get that spiraled, really like tousled look, which I love. It's probably my favorite, but I have not figured that out yet. Scared though, because down here is double bleached and I'm really scared to like break it off. I am satisfied for the $0 it took, and it was fun, and I'm satisfied, yeah. Is it a $500 haircut? No. Did I pay $500? No. Could it be better? Yeah, sure. Fun, easy way to trim your bob. It's not easy, but I think it's easier than just trying to like eyeball it completely. And it gives you like a good bulk cut, and then you can try kind of trim it up to get it choppier or thin it out or whatever you're going for. So yeah, ponytail bob haircut round 2 was definitely better than the round 1. I learned a bit from the first time, and so each test is what you do. You try, you learn, you do better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure you're subscribed. I'll be doing a new color soon, and I have some big haircuts coming for all 3 kids after school's out. We're gonna do some big summer cuts because their hair is like super long, including my 10-year-old who hasn't cut his hair in 2 years. So stay tuned for that. Bye.